This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task at fixed delay using XML configuration. Here I have defined the class schedule task. It has report current time method. It prints the current time. This is the Spring configuration file. Here I have created bean for schedule task class, and here I have configured the scheduler. Here I have configured report current time method of schedule task class should run on every 5 seconds. Here I have used fixed delay as 5 seconds. So the current task wait until the previous task is completed. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Here you can see the output, and here you can see the task is executed on every 5 seconds and printing the current time. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.